Do you know what Sigma males truly crave from women? It's not just good looks or an amazing personality. In this video, we'll explore 13 things Sigma males need from women. You'll not only gain insights into the mind of a Sigma male, but also learn how to forge a deep connection with one. Stick around till the end, and you'll be amazed at the depth of these relationships. Authenticity is a key. What does it mean to be truly authentic? It goes beyond simply being honest and transparent. It's about embracing one's true identity, values, and beliefs. Sigma males are drawn to women who are genuine and unapologetically themselves. They appreciate those who resist the temptation to conform to societal expectations and instead choose to live by their own principles. So ladies, if you want to attract a Sigma male, let your true colors shine brightly. Stand firm in your convictions and be the unique individual that you are. Emotional independence. Emotional independence is a critical trait in any healthy relationship, but it's especially important for Sigma males. As natural loners, they value self-reliance and prefer partners who can manage their emotions without constantly seeking reassurance or validation. This doesn't mean that you should be emotionally distant. Rather, it's about being able to cope with your feelings and communicate them effectively. Can you handle your emotional ups and downs without expecting your Sigma partner to be your constant source of emotional support? If so, you're well on your way to creating a balanced and fulfilling relationship with a Sigma male. Intellectual stimulation. Sigma males are known for their intelligence and keen minds, so it's only natural that they crave intellectual stimulation from their partners. They desire someone who can engage them in thought-provoking discussions and challenge their opinions in a respectful manner. This not only keeps the relationship interesting, but also fosters personal growth for both parties. Imagine having late-night debates on philosophy, politics, or even exploring new ideas together. The ability to mentally stimulate a Sigma male is a surefire way to capture his heart and create a lasting bond. Respect for boundaries. Boundaries are crucial in any relationship, but they hold particular importance for Sigma males. As introverts who value their personal space and solitude, they need partners who can respect and understand their need for alone time. Are you able to give a Sigma male the space he needs without feeling threatened or abandoned? Being able to establish and maintain healthy boundaries is key to building trust and creating a strong foundation in a relationship with a Sigma male. Remember, respecting someone's boundaries is a sign of love and care, not a lack of it. Shared ambitions. While it's important to maintain individuality in a relationship, having shared ambitions can create a powerful bond between partners. Sigma males are highly goal-oriented and thrive when they have a partner who shares their drive for success. Can you imagine working together towards common goals, inspiring each other to reach new heights, and celebrating each other's achievements along the way? By aligning your aspirations, you'll not only strengthen your connection with a Sigma male, but also create a partnership that is truly unstoppable. Emotional depth. Surface-level connections won't satisfy a Sigma male. They crave emotional depth in their relationships and seek partners who are willing to explore the intricacies of their inner worlds. This means being open to vulnerability, sharing your deepest thoughts and feelings, and being receptive to the emotions of your Sigma partner. Can you navigate the complex waters of your emotional landscapes together, growing and evolving as a couple? By embracing emotional depth, you'll create a rich and fulfilling relationship that transcends the superficial. Patience and understanding. Opening up and revealing their true selves may not come easily to Sigma males. They often require time and patience to establish trust and feel comfortable in a relationship. Are you willing to exercise patience and understanding as your connection with a Sigma male unfolds at its own pace? By allowing the relationship to develop naturally, without pressure or expectations, you'll create an environment where trust can flourish. In turn, your patience will be rewarded with a bond that is built on a strong foundation of mutual respect and understanding, a sense of adventure. Sigma males may be introverted by nature, but they possess a strong sense of adventure and curiosity. They're drawn to women who share their enthusiasm for exploration and new experiences. Would you be willing to embark on spontaneous trips, discover hidden gems, or step outside of your comfort zone together? By embracing a sense of adventure, You'll not only enrich your own life, but also create unforgettable memories with your Sigma partner. This willingness to embrace the unknown can breathe life and excitement into your relationship, ensuring that it remains dynamic and fulfilling over time. Loyalty and trust. Trust and loyalty form the bedrock of any successful relationship, and Sigma males hold these values in high regard. They need a partner who will stand by their side through life's highs and lows, someone they can trust with their deepest secrets, vulnerabilities, and dreams. Are you prepared to be that unwavering source of support for a Sigma male? Demonstrating your commitment and faithfulness will not only strengthen the bond between you, but also create a safe haven where both of you can thrive. Supportive spirit. Sigma males are ambitious and driven, and they value a partner who can support and encourage their dreams. This doesn't mean blindly agreeing with everything they say or do, but rather providing constructive feedback, cheering them on, and being a shoulder to lean on during tough times. Can you be the wind beneath their wings, helping them soar to new heights? By fostering a supportive environment, you'll create a relationship where both you and your Sigma partner can grow and excel, both as individuals and as a couple. Flexibility and adaptability. Life is full of twists and turns, and the ability to adapt to change is essential in any relationship. Sigma males appreciate a partner who can navigate the unpredictable nature of life with grace and resilience. Are you able to embrace change, learn from new experiences, and grow alongside your Sigma partner? Cultivating flexibility and adaptability will not only help you weather life's storms, but also strengthen your bond and foster a lasting, harmonious relationship. A sense of humor. Life can be serious, but it's important to find humor and joy in the everyday moments. Sigma males are attracted to women who can laugh at themselves, find the lighter side of things, and bring a sense of playfulness to the relationship. Can you make a Sigma male chuckle or bring a smile to his face after a long day? A shared sense of humor can be a powerful way to bond and create lasting memories together. Remember, laughter is the best medicine for the heart and soul. Confidence in your own skin. Confidence is an alluring trait, and Sigma males are drawn to women who embrace their strengths and weaknesses with grace and self-assurance. This means knowing your worth and being proud of who you are, without constantly seeking validation from others. Are you able to stand tall in your own skin, radiating self-confidence and self-love? By embracing your unique qualities and celebrating your individuality, you'll not only captivate a Sigma male's attention, but also create a relationship built on mutual admiration and respect. Understanding and fulfilling these 13 needs can help forge a deep, meaningful connection with a Sigma male. Be authentic, emotionally independent, and willing to explore the depths of your emotions. Respect their boundaries, share ambitions, and support each other through life's ups and downs. Embrace change, have a sense of humor, and most importantly, be confident in your own skin. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, the key to a lasting relationship with a Sigma male lies in your ability to fulfill their needs while staying true to yourself.